Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play the classic folk song, This Old Man, otherwise known as Knick Knack Paddywack, a song so old that no one has any idea who wrote it.
So here we have a harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours is not in the key of C, because the numbers are the important part. In this lesson, if you see this red arrow pointing this way, it means blow into the harmonica. But if you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it? Good.
Here's what This Old Man looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. G, E, G, G, E, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, G, C, 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 D, E, F, G, G, D, D, F, E, D, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 6, blow into 5, blow into 6, blow into 6, blow into 5, and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 6, blow into 6, breathe in through 5, blow into 5, breathe in through 4, blow into 5, and breathe in through 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 5, breathe in through 5, blow into 6, blow into 4, and blow into 4 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 4, breathe in through 4, blow into 5, breathe in through 5, and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 6, breathe in through 4 twice, breathe in through 5, blow into 5, breathe in through 4, and blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial. Also, come follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and of course, Patreon. And until next time, stay tuned.